and I'm here bringing you another cooking video. Super excited about it. Today we're gonna learn how to do salmon Florentine. And I'm not a chef, but we're gonna see how this goes. But yeah, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. But I'm super excited, so let's go. So first I'm going to roast my red peppers and broil it on high for about 10 minutes, not even, just until it gets about this color. Then I'm going to cut them up and add the peppers, white onions, scallions, spinach, and tomatoes. Then I'm just gonna season up my salmon, my fresh salmon. I love Tony's Creole seasoning. I put it on everything. And of course some black pepper. And I'm gonna add a little thyme. And I love using smoked paprika. I love the flavor. And of course, garlic. Gotta add that. I enjoy my food well seasoned. I'm Caribbean, so we season everything hardcore. Then I'm gonna do it on the back of the salmon, on the skin. So now I'm going to sear my salmon, and I'm going to place them down, skin side down first. And I just want to get a good sear on both sides, but I do not want to overcook them. I really want them medium, almost medium rare, because I just hate dry salmon. I like it to pretty much melt in your mouth. So here it is in the olive oil and butter, and I use Irish butter. You can find it at any grocery. All right, so now that it's seared, I'm just taking it out of the pan. And it looks delicious. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. As you can see, it's very well seasoned. And I'm just gonna let them rest. And now I'm going to add in my other ingredients, my other veggies. And I'm going to get it nice and softened. And I'm going to add some white wine. Well, garlic first. And then I'm going to add some white wine to deglaze the pan. And basically, I did use Riesling, but because I like a little sweetness. But you can use whatever white wine you have. Shout out to Black Girl Magic. They're dope. Love all of their wines. And adding some more seasoning, some black pepper, a little bit more garlic, and of course some more of that Tony's Creole seasoning. I put that on everything. All right, so now I'm just adding some crushed red peppers. I love it to have a little kick. So now we're adding some heavy whipping cream. Now you can do half and half. You can do heavy whipping cream and maybe some 2% milk, but I wanted it extra creamy, so I'm using a lot more heavy whipping cream. Then I'm going to add my Parmesan shaved cheese. I'm being fairly generous with it. Basically, you're making a delicious Alfredo sauce. Okay? Adding a little bit more heavy whipping cream because I just like it extra creamy and delicious. All right, now I'm gonna add in my spinach, my fresh chopped spinach, and let that cook down. And it just looks so good. Look at that cheese. Oh my gosh, yes. Then I'm gonna add my fresh cherry tomatoes. You don't have to add this, but I love cherry tomatoes in my Italian dishes. Now I'm going to re-add my salmon, which is why I don't cook them all the way, because it's going to cook a little bit more here. But again, I'm still not going to overcook them. I really hate dry salmon, you guys. Like, stop making it so dry. So yeah, now I'm going to add some of that extra sauce in here. Ooh, some flavor. Love that. All right, now I'm just coating my salmon. And yeah, I mean, we're pretty much done here. Ooh, look at that. It looks delicious. Oh my God, can't wait to eat it. All right, so just letting it cook down just a little bit. And I made some penne pasta al dente, and I'm just pouring it over. Of course, you boil the pasta in salt and olive oil. All right, oh, look at that. Oh, and now this is the final product. So this is the Salmon Florentine. As you can see, I made sure that I did not overcook my salmon. It's nice and tender. And I'm gonna try it. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. It's so it's so good. You guys, you're gonna love this. Stay tuned for the next one. I don't know what I'm gonna make yet, so any suggestions are welcome. But until next time, talk to you later. Bye.